म्हजें नांव रॉक मास्करेनस. I'm General Secretary of Citizens for Sausura. आमी ह्या ग्रुपान एक petition file केलें in the High Court, and under that order of that High Court, municipality एक status report केलो आनी आमगे ते petition dispose केलें. Status reportaचेर सौसडो legacy डावपाचेर आनीक सौसडो day to day management site जी पळय आहा तेजेर तेणी report file केलो stating that they will be doing certain things. सोनवारा दिसाक I personally went to the site to check what is happening at the day to day management site. थिंग वचो जाल्यार थिंगा सारकी pathetic situation आहा. Simple thing what is happening is wet waste जो पण municipality generate करता तो directly काकोरा प्लांटा वयता. सो उरतो म्हणटा तो dry waste आनी झाडांचो बी waste आहा तो वता. वो ड्राय वेस्ट जो पण प्लास्टिकाचो आनी अदर्स ते पण कलेक्शन जाता, about 17 tons is generated daily. Out of 17 tons, 10 tons is directly going to Kakora. So 7 tons सुमार उरलो. थिंगा वचोन चोयत जाल्यार 4 बेलिंग मशीन आसलो आनी 4 बेलिंग मशीन चलनाय. It means to say that bales cannot be made and then transported to wherever they are going to transport. So daily 7 tons या समज plastic waste जो dry waste जाता तो थिंग mini dumps जालो पडे है. I am sharing you the footage to let the people know that this is the status of what is happening. Besides, थिंग एक shred machine आहा आनी राशभर सोण्णा आनी झाडांचो बी जालो पडे आहा ते एक shredder machine पावना. थिंगा accumulate जालो आहा waste. That's why besides that वो जो पण wet waste वयता, the shed is being used to actually transport things empty कोन ते मागीर बोन कोन काकोरा धाडे. थिंगा पण लिशेट जी पडकी जाता, it has to go to the लिशेट tank. ते लिशेट tank आहा ते overflow जालो आहा. As per the court order, they should have actually emptied those things, or they were supposed to actually connect it to the sewerage line, which they haven't done as yet. So this is the situation as on today with regards to the day-to-day management of garbage management at Sausura. So what is the municipality doing with regards to the crores of money that is being spent, taxpayer money that is spent on this matter? Besides this, if you go to see how Morgaonच्या बी and Fathoteच्या बी born also chopa also जाल्यार there are many dumps which are being created, as you know, you have also seen it. How is this many dumps created? Because Sausura समज तेंगे proper management जायना जाल्यार there are many dumps which are created in the residential areas here. So this is troubling the people of Margaon, people of Fatorda. Besides, आमी सगळे रायच्या कुट्रेच्या कुडतरी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे ते येलो पळय हाय, it is troubling us. ही घाण आनी ओडान जी पळय आमगे इतलो ते पण चलताली जी पण ताऱ्याक आयलोली आफ्टर द हायकोर्ट ऑर्डर, it seems like that it is being revived again and things are going at mess at the site. दुसरी गजाल म्हणजे the high court committee on management of Sausura, there is this HPC committee where there are this Margaon MLA Digambar Kamath, Kurturi MLA Reginald, who are actually BJP people who are supporting the government today. But HPC आता ये constitute कोण म्हणजे एक memorandum दिन CMR समोर who is heading the HPC committee, they should have convened it. They have not have convened. Resulting is that they were supposed to actually revive 5 TPD plant, biomethanation plant at SPTCTP market that is like not working there. Sausura 15 TPD plant galpa jalolo techi kai site na. So what is the municipality doing and what is the answer they are giving to the people of Margaon and the surrounding areas is the answer the municipality has to give. So on this we have written with photographic evidence attached to this memorandum to the chief officer, and we have also informed our advocates who are representing us in the High Court on this matter.
We are going to file contempt petition.
If it is required, then we will have to do that, because the municipality does not seem to be adhering to the status report which they have submitted to the High Court.
What have you stated in this memorandum to the municipality?
I will give this copy to you. You can go and see that. This is with regards to non-operational of baling machines. Glacier tanks are being overflowing. Non-compliance of the status report. It's a health hazard and environmental impact issue today.
Shredding machine are there.
Pardon?
Shredding machine.
Shredding machine है कहा, but shredding machine is being not optimized, or there are no people working because think what the rash गायलो है ती डोंगरीस गायलो हा तो झाडांचो चोचोपो असो जाल्यार तो थिंग दोंगर जालो है. I will share you this footage. You can show it. It's not been working. चोपो असो जाल्यार मुंगे भाशी ते एक shredding machine I think 4 देखो machine आले जाल्यार ते बेगीन कामार जाता ना. This is the status as of now.
आता संसोडा आता सामको लॉंग पेंडिंग इशू न्हू आमी सॉल्वच जायना. आमी कितलींची वर्सां पळयता न्ही सॉल्व जायना. नागरिकांक हेचो त्रास जाता. तुमचे असल्यान हायकोर्टाक अप्रोच करचो पडटा. कितें दिसता तुका कित्याक लागून जायना? कारण आमी पळयता इंडिये भितर अशे कितल्योश्यो सिटीज आसात, इंदोर सारकी सिटी तेजें पॉप्युलेशन इतलें चड आसा, ती आपलो गार्बेज काय बरें मॅनेज करता. मडगांव सिटी सारकी म्युनिसिपालिटी कितें करपाक शकना?
हांव आतां चोयतालो मारगांव annual budget municipality is around 6 crores of rupees. So हे सगळे टॅक्स पेयर्स मनी municipality कलेक्ट करता. लोकांक विचारपा जाय हांकां हे पयशे वयता कितें. So this is being misused and mismanaged. This is the status of the corporation today. So people should ask them what is happening. आमी कोर्टा वयता तिची एक सेपरेट गजाल. कोर्टा म्हणजे डायरेक्शना प्रमाणे म्युनिसिपालिटीन जाता ते भाशेन काम करपाक प्रयत्न करता बट तेंगे जालें ना तें. इट्स नॉट वर्किंग. See, I went to the site to check the status of what they have stated to the High Court, but it's not happening. See, we require passionate people who love their city, who love their state, and who love their Goa to be ruling.
बाबा आता नाही ते तसलं पॅशनेट नाही असते सध्या.
ते तुमकां म्हज्या परस तुमकां बरी खबर आसतली. तुमकां दिसता ते पॅशनेट आहाय म्हणून पॅशनेट आसलो जाल्यार प्रॉब्लम जावपाचें. हे जावपा न्हू. हे तुका सांगता सी people of Fatorda, people of Margaon, they will be not facing much of this issue. You know why? Because Sonsoda is located at a corner. And people of Raya, Kurturi, Rashwala are the worst affected today. We are facing daily आमचे सगळे 5-6 दिवसांनी गाणवडा नामका and Fatorda in that area. I think Bogre Iskol भी है, Manav Vikas Iskol है.
So you think of reapproaching to the court, right?
We will have to, but we have actually petitioned the chief officer highlighting the issues that are there at the moment. So they have to look into this.
CO मेळ्ळा तुमकां?
CO, I'm told that he is not there. We are going to meet the municipal engineer. We'll let him know that आम्ही submit केलो हा म्हणून तिका and then let them take action upon it.
एक कॉपी धाड म्हाका.
हां तशा एक फोटो मस्त पडला. रोक मस्त पडला. एक फोटो राव मस्त ना सर
पुढे काय
Marcus, I